What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how I achieve these super bomb passion twists. So if you would like to see that, please stay tuned, and if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I did receive this hair from Toyotress. It is their Tiana passion twist in the length 24 inches. It did come with 8 packs of hair, but I only used 3.5 packs. This is the hair here. It also comes with rubber bands and jewelry and a crochet needle. So now we're just going to go in and section our hair off into 3 sections, 2 at the top and 1 in the back. So now I'm just going in and doing the illusion method. You can just watch and see what I'm doing because it is hard to explain. So just watch and see what I'm doing, and let me know what you guys think about this method in the comments. guys, we have made it to the end of my tutorial. Let me know down in the comments, how do you feel about this method of doing crochet braids. Alright, I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.